How to kill Creeping Charlie. Creeping Charlie is a vine-like weed that can be found in yards and gardens. This weed grows back each year unless it is permanently removed from the area. In order to kill Creeping Charlie, it may be necessary to use a combination of chemical and physical means as well as creating a hostile environment for the weed. Things you will need: herbicide, vertical mower, rake, pruner, grass seed. Herbicide. Purchase an herbicide that contains the ingredient tricloper. Spray the Creeping Charlie with the herbicide in either early spring or fall. Use the herbicide when there is no rainfall in the forecast for the day before and after the application. Apply the herbicide again at the end of the growing season or the start of the next growing season. Removing ideal conditions. Keep the areas where the Creeping Charlie has infested dry. Cut back on watering of the area. Cut back trees and bushes that provide shade for the Creeping Charlie. Keep the grass around the weed healthy and thick by frequently mowing and reseeding where any thin patches of grass are present. Grow additional plants in the area, such as hosta or English ivy. These plants draw nutrients away from the Creeping Charlie. Manual removal. Pull out the Creeping Charlie with your hands. Throw all vines and roots you pull out into a waste container. Leaving them in the lawn helps the Creeping Charlie to reseed. Loosen up the soil around where the Creeping Charlie has rooted by using a vertical mower. Rake through the roots to pull up any remnants of the weed's roots or vines. Repeat this procedure over the course of a few days to ensure the removal of the weed. Reseed any areas damaged by the removal of the Creeping Charlie. Tips. Warnings. It will require several attempts to fully remove the Creeping Charlie from your yard. Herbicides are toxic chemicals that can damage other plants and may cause personal injury. Use caution during these applications.